Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to another Advent Calendar series, number 7. We have another box, something very different, something that I'm not even familiar with really, to tell you the truth, totally brand new to me and to this channel, and it is an Advent calendar that is 25 days of Stickii, Stickii Advent calendars. Have you heard of that? Well, it came in this box today, and look at it, it's small. And I was kind of shocked to see it. And guys, these are really cute. They're little calendars. I have a feeling it's going to be full of little stickies, and this is what it looks like. I will tell you that it is $46 for the box. There is an early bird sale going on right now, and you can get it for $39 if you do it before the 31st. So hopefully I'll have this up in time, and you'll have plenty of time to maybe take a look at this if you're interested. I'm going to take this plastic off. There are 3 styles to choose from, and this is the one that I chose. And again, it's $46 if you buy it after October 31st, plus $5 US shipping, and if you order it internationally, it's $9 shipping. So they ship abroad, which is sometimes good to know. There are 3 styles. There's pop, vintage, and cute. And I got the cute version. If you want to get all 3 versions, it's $117 plus $18 worldwide shipping. So they have a new format, they said, this year. For those of you that are familiar with the little 25 days of Stickii, they have a new format with the same 25 days worth of a unique, never-before-seen sticker surprise. Our new Advent calendar comes in a beautifully designed box with an opening on one side for easy access to the 25 envelopes, featuring a window on the outer side so you can easily keep track of the day you're on. Each envelope is enclosed with a numbered sticker, and this is easy to remove and won't damage the envelope, making them completely reusable. Share the envelopes with friends, write a letter, use them as artistic sticker storage, or keep ticket stubs, receipts, and memories, and the possibilities are endless. So available are the 3 iconic styles, and I think I told you it was cute, vintage, and pop, and I have cute right here. Each box is going to have its own sheets, and there's no repeats across the styles. So there are 0 holiday themed sets. So these sheets can be used all year long. They did say that each Advent calendar is valued at over $95, and like I said, go on sale for $46, but you can get it right now for $39 until the end of October. Love and stickers, it says. So that gives you a little bit of information. We've got the 25 days of Stickii, and I've been sitting there showing it to you while I was reading all that information. But this is new to me. It may be new to you. So, and on the back side, it's got day number 1, so we can see what day we're into. And as they said, you can slowly slide this out. And guys, if you don't realize that there is a giveaway in each video, so be sure and stay tuned for the details at the end of this video. This is a little bit different calendar than what I'm used to, but this is day 1, and as they were saying, you can use the envelopes to store things in, or you can actually use it to mail a letter. So this is day number 1, and inside here we're going to have some stickers, and we're going to have some, looks like some eating stickers. Aren't those cute? Yeah, it looks like breakfast foods, so all this yummy stuff with the coffee and everything. All right, well, I like that. And there's 1 sheet per envelope, so that's envelope number 1, and this is the cutesy style. We have day number 2, and this is what this one looks like, and you can see that you could still address it to someone over here if you wanted to. So they've got it set up really nice. It's all kind of like pink and blue colors, which are colors that I like. Oh my goodness. And these are like little bitty cars and trucks. and stamps. So cute. Oh my goodness. That is very, very cute. So we're going to get all kinds of styles of stickers in here. Have you heard of the stickers before? Or the Stickii advent calendar? Do you get Stickii? Do you subscribe to Stickii? Do you get these on a regular basis? Number 3 looks like this. Very nice. And on the inside we have some purple. And we have some kitty cats in the clouds. How cute. Oh my goodness. I know a few friends that would like the kitty cats. Oh yeah, very, very nice. Day 4 is here. And this is what it looks like on the front. And it looks like some nice little dessert snacks with fruit. But on the inside we have, is that hedgehogs? Looky there. Aren't those cute? Oh my goodness. So we just don't know what we're going to get. This is day 5. And it's all pretty and everything. These are cute little envelopes. And our stickers are like the oven and the stove. So it's kitchen related. Isn't that cute? Oh, wow, wow. I'm going to have such cute stickers to use. That's just wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Day number 6 is like this. And this is what it looks like on the front. We're going to open it up and find out what kind of stickers we have. Look at these stickers, guys. Little teapots and coffee. And pie. Oh yeah, coffee and pie and cake. Boy, I like some cheesecake. I like the cheesecake from Red Lobster, that vanilla bean cheesecake. Oh, that's so good. Of course, Walmart or Sam's has some great cheesecake too. Our next day is 7, and here's the front of the envelope. And inside day number 7, our stickers are foxes and bears and owls and rabbits. Looks like all kinds of animals. So cute, cute, cute. Yep, cute, cute, cute. Day number 8. This is what it looks like on the other side. And I see a cute little kitty over there. And these are like rabbit. They look like gold and light pink. And Easter, I don't know. You might could use these around Easter time. Aren't they cute? Oh my goodness. They just got all kinds. This is all new to me, guys. All new. Day number 9 is a pretty pink. And then it looks like we have a repeat because I did see that style as far as this over here. So number 9, we have some, are those little bears or kitty cats? Looks like little bears because I see panda bears, just all kinds of little bears. So that is so cute. Number 9. Now we're going on to day number 10. Number 10 is right here, and this is what the other side looks like. I love these little envelopes. And inside here we have like crock pot, cups, things in the kitchen. Yeah, like for cooking up stuff. Very cute. They look to be very nice stickers, I will say that. And any of you that subscribe to Stickii, y'all probably know all about it. This is day number 11. And day number 11 looks like this on the front. And then inside we have some cutesy little mice and a little, looks like a little lion, like the lion and the mouse. That's very cute. And they're traveling, so we got some travel stickers. Very, very nice. And on day 12, which is right here, we have this. And on the inside, we have more of these kind of little stickers. Aren't those cute? The ducks, the birds, all kinds there. Quack, quack, right? I quack. Very, very cute. That was halfway through, guys. What do you think? And day 13 is right here. This is our front of our envelope. And inside here, our stickers have a palm tree, which I love. I love going to the beach. And this is, I don't know what that is. Is that a mouse? I'm not sure. Is that a piggy? No, it's got ears standing up. I'm not sure, but it's very, very cute. Love that. It just says the www.stickiiclub.com. So I'll have that information down in the description. We're on day 14. Look at that pretty colors on this one. And then day 14, we have these stickers. Aren't those cute? Wow, so you got your purse, you got your mailbox, handle with care. So this is like a postage one. Man, oh man, have you heard? Is postage going up again? It just keeps going up. Now we're on day 15. This is what it looks on the outside. And on day 15, we have these cute little stickers. Looks like a little chick. Gonna read a book. Gonna wear a hat. Looks like they're swimming in some soup. I don't know if that'd be a good idea if I was a chick. On day number 16, and you can see each day once you open it up, but this is day 16, and this is what it looks like. And on day number 16, we have bunches of little bitty, it's a little kitty or a little chihuahua. I'm not sure. Y'all let me know what you think, but it's very, very cute. With the leash on there, it makes me think chihuahua. Because I did see a leash, and that would remind me of a dog. I don't see too many cats on a leash. Not that they don't have them, but I just don't see too many. Day 17, we have, let's see what we have. Da-da-da-da. Oh, just something sweet. So we got like Mother Goose, and then flowers, and purple and yellow. That is pretty. Day number 18 is right here. And this is envelope 18, but day 18 for us. And here's some more of these kind of stickers. So we've got some animals again doing different things, being busy. Busy, busy, busy. Very, very cute. Very cute. That was day 18. Now we're on to day 19. Right here. And there's the front. So it looks like multiple envelopes have the same style in the front. So if you have a favorite, you can, use it again and again to send it off a little note. This here looks to be like a sandwiches. I'm not quite sure what it's supposed to represent, but it looks like it's got little kitties in there. That's what it looks like to me. Very, very cute. So you can do a whole theme if you're sending someone a note and you want to decorate it all up with stickers, or if you want to do other things with your stickers. If you have a sticker book that you want to use. And there's our envelope. And inside here we have like cute little, like a teddy bear. Isn't he cute? Oh, love that. That's very cute, very cute. That was day 20. Now we're on to 21. Here's 21. Here's the front side. And let's see what our stickers are. And remember, there's 3 different styles. So this is the cute style, which I'll have to say is very cute, and I really like it. And they also have a pop culture and kind of like a nostalgic antique style. So I picked this one, and we're going to go to day 22 in our front side of the envelope. And in here we have some green stickers. Looks like spring, doesn't it? Getting ready to water and plant. And that looks like it might be froggies. Yeah, everybody likes froggies, right? And then we're on day 23. And that is right here. And there's our envelope. The front of it. On the inside here we've got little puppies. Aww. Little cutesy little animals, yeah. Some of them seem like they might be a little birdie too, and some kitty cats. So that looks like a variety. On to day 24, da 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 da. And that's right here. And here is the front. And day 24 we have, oh, look at this. Very cute. Is that like, what is that? What kind of animal is that? I don't know. But it's got little fall leaves on there, so you could use that for different things. And some of y'all make your cards. You do your own card making, so these stickers might be something that you can use for that. And day 25, we're on our last day. Here's the front side. And on the inside for day 25, we definitely have cats. Yes, indeed. I recognize that, and that is so cute. So cute. So that is the 25 days of Stickii. What do you think? Again, have you ever heard of it before? I had not heard of it. When I was looking for calendars, this came up, and I thought, oh, what a cute idea. And I know a lot of you like stickers, and I enjoy stickers too. So, but anyway, that was our 25 days of Stickii with our envelopes and all of our little stickers. And if you like stickers, you're going to love this. And if you know someone that would like a gift like this, it would make a perfect Christmas gift or a birthday gift. And it comes in this nice little box, and they are put in there very nicely. That is what I have for the Stickii 25-day Advent calendar. So what do you think? Let me know. What was your favorite? Did you have a favorite? I don't know that I could go back and particularly find my favorite since I put them all back in here. But I will say that I liked the very last one that we just did with the cats on there. I liked the colors of it. I liked the very first one that had all the breakfast foods on it. That was really cute. They were all just really cute. So you let me know, did you have a favorite? Is this something that you would be interested in? Now it's time to find out about the giveaway. In each of these videos, this is number 7. Series number 7 is the Stickii Advent Calendar. And in each video, there will be a giveaway. So use the code word sticker. STICKER. Use the word sticker in the comments below, and you will be entered into this giveaway. Each video will have a giveaway, and at the end there is an overall prize of an advent calendar that I will be curating. And you can go back to see series number 1 to see a sneak peek of that calendar. Now, as far as the rules, you must be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the continental USA and or Canada for this one. And I do not know what the prize will be, but it will be something that you may have seen here in this video along with some other little goodies. So if you're into stickers, this may be one that you want to sign up for. There'll be nice items that will be in this giveaway. YouTube or Stickii has nothing to do and are not affiliated with this giveaway. I have purchased this with my own money, and anything that I'm giving you in these giveaways has either been purchased by me or sent to me in a box and are given to me. So I own all these items and I'm choosing to give them to you. Now, I'm not responsible for any allergic reactions, and I am not responsible once it leaves my hands. I will tell you, it will be announced on December 1st. All the winners will be announced on the 1st, so hopefully everybody can get their winnings before Christmas and you can use them however you like. So that is what we have today. I hope you enjoyed the Stickii 25 Days of Advent Calendar. And again, let me know what's your favorite. And I would like for you to check my descriptions to see if there's anything that you might be interested in. I do have some collaborations going on. I will soon have my 900 subscriber giveaway. I don't know when that's going to be, but it'll be coming up soon. And I also have surprise giveaways. So be sure and check that out along with the Advent Calendar series, because there's several. If you haven't entered, you can enter into each one. Okay guys, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.